What time? Come. What time you want? It doesn't matter. This is not the new. No, the ones that matter.
Someone just hold on that door and let the come in. Communicate that the Senate Southeast Caucus held on Sunday, May 7, 2023. 1. We have observed with dismay the antics of persons with vested selfish interests who have planted themselves around the President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu and have vowed to shut out the Southeast from the Senate presidency of the 10th Senate. 2. Beyond ethnic and religious considerations, in the forthcoming 10th Senate, the Southeast has been blessed with ranking senators-elect, including members of the All Progressive Congress (APC), who have the cranial capacity, competence, influence, experience, and political fellowship to pilot the affairs of the Red Chamber. It becomes imperative that all Progressive Congress uphold the principles of natural justice and equity, which is founded on reasons and zone the seat of the President of the Senate, the Southeast region. That the President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu should extend the same democratic opportunity to receive from the outgoing administration, which gave all aspirants equal opportunity to exercise their fundamental and constitutional rights during the APC presidential primaries. He should be conscious of the great implication of zoning and endorsing a candidate from the South-South without any regard to the Southeast. Such move will no doubt serve as a recipe for injustice which will culminate to restiveness. We implore the President-elect to be sensitive to the times in Nigeria and ensure the country continues to treat on the party of equity, unity and fairness to the tripod of Nigeria, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, and the geopolitical zones. The country is already divided among ethnic and religious lines due to the exclusion of the Southeast region, which formed the major reasons the APC received the amount of votes from the Southeast. The incoming administration of Asiwa we shall achieve a harmonious 10th Senate, deepening with democracy, fairness, and unity for our dear country. Thank you. Signed, Senator Ojus Okalu, Senator Enina Baribe, Senator Ifeanyi Uba, Senator Victor Ume, Senator Oster Izunaso, Senator Ezenwa Onyewuchi, Senator Tony Nwoye, Senator P.C. Ndubeze, Senator Oke Ezia, Senator Kevin Chukwu, Senator Osika Ungu. Thank you very much.